Today's schools have a mandate to bring more technology into the classroom, but teachers are already overworked and busy teaching the fundamentals, and they don't have time to learn and introduce new technologies. Now imagine if those same teachers, without any additional time or training, could bring those same topics to life for students by infusing the classwork with art and technology. Picture second graders studying the science of weather through making documentary movies of hurricanes, tornadoes, or tsunamis, or fifth graders studying the history of ancient Egypt by writing scripts, mapping out storyboards, filming and editing movies featuring themselves as archaeologists exploring King Tut's tomb. Even first graders who are researching the continents can produce animations that introduce the unique animals of Australia. When is the last time you've seen students excited about research? At Digistars, that's what we see every day in thousands of elementary and middle schoolers lucky enough to participate in our programs. But it shouldn't be left up to luck. Digistars has a turnkey solution for teachers and districts with step-by-step, easy-to-follow manuals and materials for transforming everyday studies into extraordinary learning experiences. I'm Elizabeth Yarnell, founder of Digistars Make a Movie Workshop. Let's create the classrooms of the future together.